Welcome to Mom Knows Toys. Today we're going to look at the Magic Grow capsules. With each package you get 12 capsules, and this is for kids ages 4 and up. All you do is drop them in warm water and watch them form into fun shapes. Today the shapes we're going to look at are the safari animals. And on the back of the package you see 12 animals that you hope would hatch from the capsules. So what I've done first is I've poured into a large bowl some warm water, and the warm water is the secret to making these grow capsules hatch so that you can have your animals take their shapes. And each capsule has a coating of plastic on it, and the capsule needs to melt away in order for the foam to expand in the water. Typically I do these one by one with my son in a smaller cup, but for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to put them all in the water. And I'm going to give it just a little stir to get the capsule started. And keeping my video camera on, we're going to see these hatch in a time-lapse function. Okay, so these are almost done here, and it took about 4 minutes for them to hatch out of their capsules, and again this was using very warm water. So we're going to take them out now so we can compare them to the pamphlet and see what shapes we have here. Okay, so what we're going to do is compare the shapes that we got with what came on the package for the Grow capsules and see if we got any of these animals. So matching it up to the chart, we've got the zebra, we got the hippo, he's red, the rhino, and we got a lion. So a great learning tool for kids, both colors and identifying animals. Got an elephant here, a nice yellow elephant, a red monkey, a blue cheetah, and a green ostrich. We have a green wildebeest, a blue kudu, a red anteater, and a yellow giraffe. So one of all of the items that you see on the chart here came with it, and that's great when you don't have duplicates of something. Now, what do you do with these? You've got these sponge things. My son plays with them. He acts them out, and they interact with each other. Also, I've learned that you can turn them into stamps with some paint and some paper. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have some finger paint here that came with my Crayola paint roller set, and I've got my red hippo. I'm just going to get some paint on here, not too much, and it's important that these foam creatures here are absolutely dry, otherwise you're not going to get a good mix. So with my hippo in my paper here, I could just make a little stamp. So just a little fun with these shapes and some paint, and you've got a whole new toy to play with. Now I'm going to take the yellow elephant and dip him in some yellow paint and see if we can make a stamp from him too. Okay, now we're going to make a blue rhino. These are fun. We recently went to a birthday party and we took a piece of paper and decorated it with these kind of stamps and gave it to our friend as part of his birthday card, our homemade birthday card with animals on it. And he really liked it. So again, these need to be dry when you use them. And this is a Crayola brand of finger paint. And you lift them up. And there's our blue hippo. Okay, now we're going to make the green lion. Hopefully I have enough paint that I've used here. Again, this is just Crayola finger paint. And he's a little damp, but I think he's going to work fine anyway. Yeah, he was a little wet, so he didn't turn out so great. Let's see if we could do that again. There he is, looking a little bit better there. I hope you had fun watching our video today. I purchased these items at a supermarket, and I also have purchased them at pharmacies. They cost about $1.99, so you shouldn't be paying more than that if you're looking for them in your hometown.